Yes. Hi everyone. For those of you just joining in, this is Coco, the talking Bengal. Yes, hello Coco. Come here, Coco. I have a present for you. Uh-oh. I have a present for you. Uh-oh. Nobody can see Coco. Coco, what's this? You like it? Oh, you like it. You're trying to eat it. Coco, do you like it? Seems like you like it. Is it a little bit too big? You look so cute, Coco. Hi, Coco. Oh, you don't like it. Oh, you don't like it. Oh, you don't like it. You're like, get it off me. Okay, Coco. Are you sure you don't like it? It looks so cute.